guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a very exciting OCEANISTA box. This is the winter box and it is Mele Kalikimaka themed, which is Hawaiian for Merry Christmas. So I don't know if any of you guys know this, but I am actually part Hawaiian. I'm Hawaiian on my mom's side, and in fact my family this year celebrated a Hawaiian themed Christmas. So I was really excited about this box, and in fact if you follow me on Instagram, last night I actually posted in my stories that I made myself a Mai Tai. You guys, it was such a good Mai Tai. I was incredibly proud of myself. It was delicious. So anyway, I have opened the box and played with this stuff, but I did just get it, so I haven't played with it too much. Okay, so first of all, we have a little note in here, Aloha, pardon our box, while we rebuild and rebrand to a bigger and better size. And this box, by the way, is pretty ginormous, so I'm excited to see what they come out with. Okay, so the first thing in here is this Poncho Hoodie thing, and if you are a yearly or VIP member, you get to choose your color, and there were 4 different colors. There was Sand, which is like a creamy off-white, Stone, which is a gray, Sunset, which is this kind of dusty rose pinky color, and then Slate, which I think is either black or maybe it's navy, I can't tell. Anyway, I chose this one, and it is a poncho style. You know, it's no sleeves. Hang on, let me model it for you. This is a one size fits most, and it's supposed to fit up to 2XL. But you can see, I don't know, I feel like it might be kind of small on a 2XL because I feel like the shoulders are, I mean, I don't know, maybe that's just me. Anyway, super cute, right? And then you've got, I like the little lace-up detail right here, which you could loosen. There you go. And then the cute little hood. Right? I feel like Little Red Riding Hood. Anyway, but look how cute this is. This is wonderful. I love wearable blankets, and it is the kind of thing that you can just throw on over whatever. You know, if you're wearing a sweater or a tank top or a bikini, you know, you can just throw this on for a little extra warmth, and it's just kind of easy breezy. The other thing for the plus-sized ladies was this. So you either got this or this, but because they sent me the box, they sent me both so that I could show you guys. So this one is a Paisley beach wrap in lilac. So this one only comes in one color, and on this side it's like a pinky color, and on this side it's more of a blue purpley, but I think that, I mean, it seems reversible to me, don't you think? So this one you wear like this. It's basically like blanket style, but then it has the wings in the front that kind of drape over your shoulders. And this one is definitely more like a wearable blanket, wouldn't you say? I know, you can't see all of me, but it's lovely and gorgeous, and you can, you know, fling it over one shoulder and be very très chic that way, or just let it kind of dangle in the front like this. I love this. I'm super excited about this. So okay, so those were the 2 options for that. And then they had their featured artisan, which is Amy Toroni with Redwood Coastal Design. And she actually lives in Northern California, and she walks along the beaches and collects little like driftwood and shells and things like that to make jewelry and whatnot. So we all got the same cute little ornament. Isn't that really cute? It's just really darling, and it's, you know, made from things found on the beach. So this is a Capiz shell, which I had to look up. It's from a certain kind of oyster, I think, found in the Philippines. So I don't think she found these ones in Northern California, but maybe she found the driftwood, or maybe she just ordered all this stuff, but she likes to comb the beaches for things of this nature. Anyway, they're all lovely, and I believe that they are all basically the same design, you know, but obviously not all of them are exactly the same because these are natural things. So anyway, and then there's this beautiful little bit of abalone right here. Lovely, right? It's gorgeous. I love it. I'm excited to hang it on my tree. And then we got some earrings. I'm wearing them right now. These are actually from the same artist that made the necklaces from, what was it, the summer box? So I'm wearing all of them now. I'll show you. Okay, so here's the necklace from the summer box, which is, you know, sea glass. And then the earrings are sea glass as well. And so the colors and sizes do vary a bit. but they're all basically the same. Aren't they pretty? I love them. Okay, and then this pillow, which I absolutely love. It says, "Beach life is the best life." And it's just, I don't know, I love the look of this. I mean, it does look very beachy, kind of rustic, and I adore throw pillows. It's nice and squishy. So this one is by artist Phil Chapman, and it is a 16 by 16 pillow, which I'm sure is why we needed a bigger box, because that's a full-on pillow. I love it. I'm so excited about that. Okay, the flower that I had in my hair. So it's just a little faux plumeria. It is, you know, kind of bendy and soft, and then it has a black clip on it. And then when you put it in your hair, you really want it to sit so that it looks like it's, you know, behind your ear. So I like to go down and then just kind of arrange it best I can so that it looks like, you know, it's sitting behind my ear like that. I also, especially when I had long hair, you know, I'd put my hair like up in a twist or something and shove a flower on the side of it there. But, you know, of course, this is the classic way to wear a flower in your hair. And I believe that there is a thing, it's like if you wear the flower on your left, you're married, and if you wear it on your right, you are unmarried. I think that's right. I don't know. Anyway, it's a pretty little flower, right? And then we got some skincare products. So this one is Aloha Youth Serum, and I did use this today. I actually really like it. It does have a pretty strong scent to it. So it comes in a dropper. The actual product is like this creamy kind of a consistency. And it says to use a pea-sized amount, which I honestly did not think was enough. Not for me anyway. So I would put it like right on your fingertips and, you know, just kind of lightly dab it onto your skin. It doesn't feel super oily. It feels like, you know, just like a nice moisturizer. The scent did not linger, I didn't think. So, you know, if you don't like scents, that kind of a thing. Let me see what's actually in this. I'm putting on my glasses so I can actually read to you guys. So, and it does say on here, supporting local farmers who keep native plants thriving, using 100% recyclable or compostable packaging and vegetable ink, donating time and a portion of proceeds to replenish our native plants, teach the importance of Hawaiian culture, clean up our oceans, and encourage communities to love the land and each other. And then it has like a whole ritual of different products to use together and how to use them. A uniquely Hawaiian experience from soil to skin to soul. It has hibiscus, comfrey leaf, Hawaiian turmeric, and noni, and kukui and kamani oil. So it has, you know, lots of really wonderful skin-loving ingredients. I like this packaging, by the way. It kind of unfolds. So anyway, I'm actually really excited about using this. It seems really nice. And then this is from Aloha Aina, and this is coconut milk body lotion. I put this all over my body and I smell so good right now. It's not an overwhelming or artificial scent. It's kind of a light, just, you know, really lovely scent. It doesn't smell super coconutty, I don't think. A little bit, but you know, like I said, it's just sort of a soft scent and it smells really, really wonderful. And this one also has 10% of profits donated to the preservation of Hawaiian wildlife. And then from this same company, we got this little candle, and this one is also coconut milk, and it's just in this adorable little tin. I like the little, you know, just the little picture around it. So this is the little candle. I love this. It smells amazing. I love the scent of it. And then in the little pamphlet, there is a recipe for Hawaiian style potato macaroni salad. I actually hate mac salad, so I'm not going to make this, but I do love that they always include a recipe in here for you to try. Okay, so another wonderful, fantastically, beautifully curated box from OCEANISTA. You guys, these boxes are amazing. So I will leave all of the information in the description box if you guys want to check it out. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!